Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make English muffins. Begin by warming milk and dissolving yeast, then mix flour, sugar, salt, and melted butter into a soft dough. Knead briefly until smooth, cover and let rise until doubled. Divide, shape rounds, and rest before cooking. Cook on a low-hot skillet until golden on each side, then cool on a rack to keep them tender and full of nooks. Start by proofing yeast in warm milk with a pinch of sugar until foamy, then stir in flour, salt, and softened butter. Mix to a soft, slightly sticky dough and knead lightly to develop gluten, but keep it tender. Cover with a damp cloth and let it rise in a warm place until doubled in size. This step creates the airy interior and those signature nooks for toasting and topping. If you are finding this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy baking videos. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long bakes with the Owala water bottle. It seals well and fits cup holders so you can sip between needs. Great for messy kitchens. I linked it and a few useful deals in the description, so check there if interested. Now let's get back to the video. After the first rise, gently deflate and pat the dough to about 3-4 inch thickness, then cut rounds and let them rest briefly. Preheat a heavy skillet to low-medium heat and cook each muffin slowly until golden and set, flipping once. Cooking slowly builds the crust while keeping the inside tender and full of pockets. Cool slightly, then split with a fork to reveal the crumb and toast to serve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.